So I'm super excited. We're going to do an unboxing of the Renogy One Core. So this just came in, did the pre-order on it. So let's take a look at what this thing looks like. Nice plastic wrapping. I mean, it's put together nicely. For those of you who don't know what this is supposed to look like, this is the new control panel that Renogy has released. They have the Renogy M1 already, but the Core adds a few more features. It's a little smaller. You do lose having switches. You lose the switches. So you see here we got a little quick guide. Take that out. Warranty card. We actually have the actual core here. Comes out. Nice interface. Kind of looks like a Nest, if you're familiar with that. Like the thermostat, so it's about that size. Notice it has the level on the back. It's got a USB-C connection. It's like the power connections, and then COM. So we sit that back in the box here, see what else we got in the box. And it looks like we've got there's one other small box here. Open that up. So you lose the switches, but what you do gain is leveling. So we've got some screws. Here's our power cables. So just simple red, black, nice easy terminals. Should be super easy to install, a nice long cable there. You get the leveling. You also get the capability to manage things like other Wi-Fi devices and smart devices that are tied in. Renogy has said they're coming out with a smart shunt as well, which I think a lot of us would really be anxious to see, because the smart shunt would allow us to be able to monitor other batteries other than just the Renogy. So it should be a nice, simple, easy install. It looks like this just twists off. So there's our mounting plate, hence the level there. It just sits over it, clicks in. So that is the Renogy One Core. So can't wait to get this thing installed. To go in the rest of the Renogy system, I can monitor then my inverter, my solar panels, my batteries, my DC to DC charger, my MPPT, anything that is on the compatibility list for Renogy from that has kind of the comms capability. So if you can do things like a BT2 with it, that will work. Lots of options. The instruction panel is nice because one of the things with the instructions that come in the box also is this here, this outside piece. It's actually designed, you can be used as, there's some template that you'll be able to use with that as well. So really looking forward to seeing this. Once you have it, you pair it with their DC home map and you can start monitoring everything. So that's it. That is your Renogy One Core. So the RSHGWSN W02WG1.